Hi guys, I'm Jazba. I'm a makeup artist and beauty blogger, and today I'm going to be introducing you to MyGlamm's latest launch, Tinted Up Lip and Cheek Stain. So we've got 4 new shades, 2 that are a little bit creamy and 2 that are a little bit more clear. So we've got Fever, Flushed, Fleur, and Frolic. So it's a multi-use lip and cheek tint that infuses your skin with this lightweight texture and color that lasts all day long. So you can go from girl next door to provocateur with just a few light dabs, as the color is totally buildable for a bigger and stronger color payoff. So it lends a really natural looking dewy finish to your lips and to your cheeks. It looks really youthful and glowy, and it's totally buildable and lasts all day long. It's super lightweight and easy to apply, and it's just as easy to remove. You can get it off with micellar water or just plain water. It suits all skin tones, it's totally cruelty-free and perfume-free as well for those of you who have sensitive skin. So here's a pro tip. If you apply the tint on your lips underneath lipstick or lip gloss, it'll actually make those things last longer. And if your lip gloss does rub off, you'll still have the beautiful tint, giving your lips that nice hue underneath. You can apply it after a moisturizer and give yourself that nice little flush, or you can put on a tinted moisturizer or even a foundation, wait till that dries, and pat it on top. If you want to make the color more opaque, it's super easy. Just add on another layer, dab it in with your fingers, and it blends seamlessly. You can grab yours now from the MyGlamm app or head to our website, myglamm.com. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon to stay notified for more videos from MyGlamm.